Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the Wuthering Waves gameplay review and FPS drop test using the real-time application in the POCO X8 Pro device. So this is a POCO X8 Pro which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. Let's see how is the overall gameplay experience going to be there in this POCO X8 Pro. That's what I'm going to describe in this video. And the POCO X8 Pro, which has got the Dimensity 8000 fan Ultra chipset and LPDDR5X RAM type and UFS storage 4.1 as well. So let's see how is the overall gameplay performance going to be there in this device. So right now I'm going to show you exact settings what I'm trying to use. Let's go to the settings option. So let's go to image display graphics. Let me select the frame rates to 60. As you can see, 60 frame rates are selected. And let's select global and so high quality I have selected completely. And 60 FPS is the highest you can actually play at this moment in this device. And high resolution. And 60 FPS high resolution completely maxed out I'm trying to do, as you can see. So right now after like 60 FPS we are getting currently at this moment about 40 FPS we are getting, as you can real-time FPS statistics. So using with this kind of settings with the highest graphic settings, the max one you can get up to 40 FPS in this POCO X8 Pro device with the Wuthering waves. If you try to use the high quality and let me to skip everything. I'm just in the beginning of the game. Just now I did download the complete game. And in case if you want to watch like Genshin Impact gameplay and other reviews, so make sure to check out those playlist videos which I've created for the POCO X8 Pro. There is separate playlist video and that will definitely give some kind of clarity and idea about the device, what you should know about as well. And right now let's check at the FPS count. Right now we're getting about 58 FPS. Let me to start recording. So we know exactly how it's kind of maintaining and recording the FPS count while doing this testing as well. And right now the temperatures also seems kind of increasing little by little. I will try to check the temperatures once after this match has been done. So then we can get a clear idea about how is the temperature is maintaining in this POCO X8 Pro device. And right now the temperature is about close to 38.6 degrees Celsius at this moment. On the back side 38.8. So 38 degrees Celsius, 39 as well. The temperature is increasing little by little. And look at the frame rates, how it's kind of maintaining as well during this time of testing. So right now, as you can see, the FPS was able to maintain like 42, 44 FPS right now, 42.2, 42.43.1. Right now, the battery is about 45% as well, the battery. As you can see guys, overall the FPS, it's kind of close to like 45, it's maintaining as an average, I would say. And the temperature right now 39.2 degrees Celsius while playing in this POCO X8 Pro device. In the beginning, the battery was about close to like 47%. Right now, it dropped to 45%. So battery kind of decreasing slightly fast. Let's skip everything, and yeah, finally we are back here in the open world, and right now you will be able to see how is FPS is going on. 44 FPS, 43 it's maintaining. And the temperature seems kind of close to 39.4 degrees Celsius right now. 39.4, not bad. Getting close to like 40 degrees Celsius. So overall, this is a quick gameplay review guys about the Wuthering waves in this POCO X8 Pro device. I'll try to do the in-depth testing later on, but I'll try to show you exactly frame rates, how it's kind of maintaining at this moment. You can see the maximum, minimum and the average, how it's kind of maintained during this time of testing. The frame rates minimum to 24.7 and the average is 41. So this is what the average FPS guys you can actually expect in the Wuthering waves. So I'll try to do the one more test later on after some time, like when the battery puncher is kind of slightly higher as well. But these are quick impressions about the POCO X8 Pro. Meanwhile, signing off, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow my videos for more information on the POCO X8 Pro regarding the gameplay information. So just now I did upload the video on the YouTube battery draining test video. So make sure you watch that video. You'll definitely get some kind of clarity and the idea about this device. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.